So this is the normal mouse speed, but if I use my external mouse, then it becomes a bit laggy, like this. I plugged in my Thunderbolt charger, and it actually works, but this is not advised since it may overheat. And then the audio port also works, as you can see here for Discord. And finally, the LAN cable works. As you can see here, I am researching for my final paper. Hi guys, so this is the quality at night. My lamp is turned off and the light source is behind me. There. Oh. But if I turn my lamp on, it's okay. Hi guys, so this is what it looks like with regular sunlight. After all, the light is off. There's a big window behind me, so it's all natural lighting. Paper zoom. I don't really use a photo booth, but okay then, for photo. This next section is on how to get a discount. You don't actually need to buy this MacBook Pro 13-inch or any Apple laptop at the standard retail price, for example, here of 71,990 pesos. When we check out at the online store, for example, we'll choose the 13-inch laptop, and like me, we will choose the silver option. You will see that the price is 71,990 as discussed a while ago. However, if we go to the education store or the K-12 store, you'll see that there is a significant price drop to 65,990. Now we'll be choosing the 13-inch model, and if you select it, you will be led to the customization page where you can choose your memory and storage. Take note that additional memory and storage will cost you additional pesos. If you don't choose any Pro Apps bundle, the final price will be 65,990. Yay! Take note also that if you are going to purchase offline, then you need to bring your school ID or your school registration form. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!